Good morning, class 11. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher, welcoming you to the learning platform of RSchool. Students, we are in the progress of determiners where we have seen usage of a and an, and we have started learning usage of the. Students, we have come to know about 2 or 3 usages, and I am going to start the rest of the usage of the. The is used before the names of rivers, hills, mountains, important religious books, some newspapers and magazines. All these are different headings where we are bound to use the. Examples are here: the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Atlantic, the Quran, the Gita, the Hindu, the Illustrated Weekly of India. One thing I would like to add here, that we are not allowed to use the before the name of any peak of any mountains. It means we cannot use the before Mount Everest, which is the highest peak of the mountain, the Himalayas. Next rule is that in order to specify a person, place or thing, we are bound to use the before them the moment they are specified. Some of the boys were very weak. The film will be a box office hit. So if any noun is specified, any place is specified, anything is specified, you are at liberty to use the before them. Next rule is that before a noun becoming particular by reason of its position and locality. If any noun is becoming particular by the region of its position and locality, you are free to use the before it. Father is in the town. Please pass the salt. So, by the position, by the locality, these two nouns are becoming particular. So that's why the has been used before them. Students, next rule is that before adjectives to refer to a group or class. Whenever any adjective is used for any group or class, you have to use the before it. As for example, the rich, it means rich people. The needy, it means people in need. Students, the next rule is that before superlative form of an adjective. As you know that adjective has got 3 forms. Whenever they are used for any comparative study, before superlative degree, we are bound to use the before them. She is the most intellectual girl in our class. He is the bravest of all the soldiers. Students, in both of the examples, superlative form has been used, but there is exception to this rule. Whenever 2 comparative adjectives are used with contradictory sense or view, we have to use the before both of the comparative form of an adjectives. As for example, the higher you go, the cooler you feel. The more you get, the more you want. So the fact that you have to keep in mind that this is not a general rule. This is exception to the general rule that I have stated related to your superlative form of an adjectives. Students, next rule is that before a proper noun qualified by an adjective or an adjective clause. Example is here: the immortal Shakespeare lived here. The Mr. Burma you all know come to meet me. It means all these proper noun like Shakespeare and Mr. Burma, they have been supported, they have been qualified by an adjective or an adjective clause. Here you will find that immortal is an adjective used before Shakespeare. Mr. Burma has also been qualified by an adjective here. So if the situation arises, you have to use the before proper noun, but one warning is there. Proper noun needs no article even if it is a or an or the, but under this special circumstance we are bound to use the before it. Students, the is also used in certain expressions like by the dozen, by the liter, both the brothers, the first chapter, the second person. So these special and these particular expressions also take the before them. The students, whenever we are going to use or, an, or the, we have to keep all these rules in mind. Students, now I am going to move towards possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns which may also be used as determiners in need of time. Some important possessives are my, our, your, his, her, their, its. They are by birth possessive adjectives or pronoun, but they may be used as determiners. Whenever we have to use any of them, we have to just look at the noun used as the subject in the sentence in the beginning. Then the use of any of the possessive adjective is kept in mind. As for example, I know my brother well. Possessive adjective or pronoun for I is my. You must fulfill your. Here you find your, which is possessive case of the subjective pronoun you. So please keep it in mind that possessive pronoun or possessive adjectives may be used as determiners in need of time. So these possessive adjectives used in place of determiners is the need of time, in spite of they are by birth possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. Students, in next video we shall go through the usage of other determiners. Thank you for watching it.